Welcome to Englitopia, where English becomes easy, fun, and part of your world.
Let's learn. Idiom of the day. Birds of a feather flock together.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together and know.
It's birds of a feather flock together.
Birds of a feather should flock together.
Birds of a feather flock together, so do pigs.
Where birds of all feathers flock together.
معناه أن الطيور على أشكالها تقع وأن الأشخاص المتشابهة ينجذبون لبعض.
This idiom means that people who are similar in behavior, interests, or attitudes often become friends or stay close to each other. Just like birds of the same kind fly together, people who share the same mindset or lifestyle usually stick together too. For example, she and her friends are all into fashion. Birds of a feather flock together.